Those were the days when I was studying my graduation final year. 2003 World Cup just getting started. My father was a high school headmaster during that time. I convinced and forced him to get his national flag from his school to my home. I used to fly our national flag on top of my house with the help of big stick from morning to till evening. At the time of sunset, I used to take out our flag and I was waving for 10 minutes with a lot of joy and happiness. I never bothered if anyone was watching me or not. Till that time, whatever the respect I was having on our Indian flag and our country became fondness and affectionate. Staying in USA for these 4 years, there are many factors which I felt surprised and amazed. Appearing the American flags everywhere in this USA is one amongst them. We can see these US national flags fly regularly everywhere, like hospitals, offices, IT parks, movie theaters, small stores, office desks, even in front of individual houses also. Whenever I see this US national flag flying everywhere in the USA, I was getting only one doubt. That is, why this US national flag flying regularly everywhere? Why not our Indian national flag? So now I got an answer for my question. So viewers, I'm gonna share the details with you today. Hi viewers, welcome to my channel My Talk. This is Satish. Today's topic is why our Indian national flag not host everywhere regularly as like America. What is there in the Flag Code of India 2002 Act? So friends, watch this video till end and share these details with your friends and ask them to host our Indian flag in front of their homes. So let's get into the details. National flag is a huge favorite for American people. They feel that their national flag is a symbolic representation of liberty. They believe that tribute to this national flag is a tribute to the great people who fought for their freedom. Their national anthem also about their flag. Whenever they are singing their national anthem, they used to keep their right hand on top of their heart and they'll sing their national anthem. Schools and colleges inaugurates this national flag every day. All Americans celebrate their National Flag Day on June 14th every year. If you see their flag, it has 3 colors with 13 stripes and 50 stars. 3 colors. Red represents brave soldiers in the battlefield. Blue represents justice and loyalty. And white represents liberty and purity. And 50 stars represents the 50 states in the United States of America. In 1777, American Congress adopted the national flag, which has 13 stripes and 13 stars. Till 1958, they had modified this flag 27 times. So finally, the year of 1958, 17-year-old boy named Robert G. Heft introduced this national flag, which had 13 stripes, 50 stars. As like in India, USA also having few rules to fly their flags. They are, in general, they can fly these flags from sunrise to sunset. Even if they can host these flags 24 hours, if the flag is focused enough with light where flag is visible. These flags can fly horizontally or vertically, but they should not hang the flag with the stars downside. These two principles they will follow whenever they'll fly this national flag along with another regional flags or state flags. First one, US national flag should be always higher than another regional flags. It should not be the same height or lesser height. Second one, they will follow the raise first, lower last rule. That means they will raise this national flag even before the regional flags. They will lower all the regional flags, then they will lower this national flag. Their folding of the national flag also follows the rule. They'll keep their national flag clean without any dust or mud. If it is damaged, then they will put the fire for this flag with a respectable manner. Though there are many such rules, all Americans host this national flag in front of their homes. This shows their love and affection towards their flag and their country. When it comes to our Indian flag, till 2002, our Indian national flag allowed to host only in Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. But our government introduced Flag Code of India 2002 Act in 2002. As per this act, we can host this Indian flag everywhere, anytime by following certain rules. Most of us not aware of this act till today. The government and media failed to brought this to the ground level. Because of their negligence, we were not knowing most of our rights. There are many rules mentioned in this act to host our national flag. Most of them we knew it from our school days. So I'm not going to explain all the rules. Only I want to mention 3 of the rules. The first one, our Indian national flag size should be as per this list. The second one, we can host our Indian flag 24 hours if we have enough focus for our flag. But in India, most of the time we used to have power cuts in night times. So keeping our Indian flag in the dark is a violation. So it's better if you host the Indian national flag from sunrise to sunset. The third most important one, we should not host our Indian national flag on our vehicles, especially cars. Only few of the higher officials having that right. So we can host our Indian flag in front of our houses, balconies, windows, everywhere, anytime by following few of the rules. In our country, people are forgetting their true patriotism with caste and creed. My thought is, whenever our national flag flies all around us, the nationality, national integrity will grow in us. There is a great need to host our Indian national flag all around the country because of communal traits which are all happening currently in India. Currently in our India, few of the religions are portraying as traitors. The constitution given us same equal rights for all Indian citizens who born in India. Ours is a secular country. All the people have the equal rights. All the religions should be treated as same. It should be the constitutional violation if any religions treating another religion lesser. Traitors are not based on religion. They are the ones who are all not respecting our Indian flag, our country laws. By hosting our Indian national flag regularly everywhere, we can get the concept of caste, creed and religion by united and making the people feel the same. If anyone shows a small glimpse of caste and religion, first show our national flag to them and say we are Indian first. So I feel our government should make mandatory of hosting our Indian national flag everywhere, like government offices, schools and colleges, public buildings and IT companies, etc. Let us also do our part by encouraging our friends to host our national flag in front of their homes. Jai Bharat.